What's good, y'all? It's your girl Samaya. Welcome or welcome back. How y'all doing? So today's gonna be another meal prep video, real quick. I know it. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. It is not real quick, but it is easy. Okay, it's very simple. I already have some things laid out. I got some zucchini and squash here, and I got some broccoli just in case. It's not enough. And then I have these onions. These actually came with this, like all of this came in one package. So yeah, but I'm gonna use the onions on my salmon. And here's the salmon. I already got it dried. And you know, it got the skin on it, but y'all know I know how to get that off, okay? Then over here, I already have my rice going. And then I have my sweet potatoes in the oven, which they're actually done. I have to take those out. But yeah, y'all, let's go ahead and get into this meal prep video. Now y'all can actually see me cooking. Aren't y'all excited? You should be, okay? But yeah, all of my seasonings are over here. This rice actually should be done. And the reason I'm doing rice and sweet potatoes is because I have 3 pieces of salmon, but only 2 sweet potatoes. So on the other day, I'm gonna put rice on it, and I'm gonna just save this rice and like eat it later on in the day type of thing.
Cheap niggas make you pee, rich niggas get you both. Gave a Bentley to ballet and let that nigga dry the boat. Let me pop off, leave the club sloppy drunk, come home and get my rocks off. Her bitch from the south, he tryna see me knock his socks off. Told them bitches meet me at the top, think they got lost. I'm on go like Grizz, she thought I would kiss her ass, she must ain't took a mess. Shit around my nigga, cost her arm and leg. Swear that nigga set for life, I let him get me pre. I done done it all. Feel like shot it low, laughing to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a pop, imaginary smoke. Bitch, you set it up, then put it on the floor. I done done it all, feel like shot it low, laughing to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a pop, imaginary smoke. Bitch, you set it up, then put it on the floor. I don't know what y'all been told, bitch, your mans know if you don't, what's happening. Bitches like to run they mouth, but I'm the type to run a fade. When your diamonds hit like this, you don't never see the shade. Got the key to my city, they gave me a holiday, bitch. All kind of shit. Made me pull my diamond tester out, you bitch a counterfeit. Better keep my name up out of mouth, they been trying it. If it's beef, then let me know, baby, why you hiding it? And I heard about your coochie, bitch. Pigs like your pussy, we all know that cat is giving fish. When I send that eggplant, that nigga know what time it is. My ex crazy about me, better be ready to die. I done done it all, feel like shot it low, laughing to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a pop, imaginary smoke. Bitch, you set it up, then put it on the floor. I done done it all, feel like shot it low, laughing to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a pop, imaginary smoke. Bitch, you set it up, then put it on the floor. I don't know what y'all been told, bitch, your mans know if you don't, what's happening. Put that shit on the floor then. Y'all bitches like to talk, that shit on the floor then. All this imaginary smoke, all this he say, she say, you feel me? Let me know.
I been missing out the walk with the minute. I been building up the blocks like a me. Elliot got water dripping out the city. Oh my God, boy he got a Glock. Oh my God, boy that boy on top. Sipping walk, make my heart stop. All these hoes, yeah my love my thigh. Yo, I let her go, put her on roll, put that on payroll, put that on go. Yeah she like to go, yeah she love to blow. Get that dick slow, like a snow cone. Yo, get that bag, show 'em